Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 9 of day 9 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. Now I'm on this page because once again on my upper left, I don't know if I'm pointing the right way. There's a happy Leetcode button. You click it, you got 10 coins. You are happier, I guess. I don't know, very mildly happier. Maybe not that much happier. I don't know. That's up to you. Look, I'm not your life. But I just want to kind of give a quick, if you're on my Discord, and if you're not, then maybe you should be. One thing that I try to do is kind of celebrate victories. And yeah, this time I did pretty okay, pretty happy about it. 15th is the highest I've done in a while. And kind of, and still, sometimes when you're competitive, you still think there's room for improvement. And definitely feel that a little bit in this problem because yeah, I kind of just misread the problem and wasted about like 8-9 minutes or so. And if I could shave off 8-9 minutes, I would have been second, which I don't know. All things considered, Yuko is kind of a and what ifs are kind of always impossible to gauge, but still celebrate victories. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, today's problem is 34. Find first and last position of element in a sorted array. Hope everyone's weekend is doing okay. Another week oncoming, huh? These days goes by fast. Yeah, given an array of integer nums sorted in non-decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of a given target value. If target is not found in the array, return -1, -1. I mean, this seems like a pretty straightforward binary search problem. And really, yeah, it's just about kind of understanding understanding the libraries is what I was going to say. That was what I was looking for. We definitely can do that, and obviously you can also write it out as well. And especially if you are, just starting out, I definitely recommend just practicing on, as many as you can. Because you can really only use the library on an array, a sorted array, obviously, right? But binary search comes up all the time in interviews. Found them a lot in my past, even because I think it's a very basic thing that a lot of people kind of, so definitely being able to write binary search in a way such that you get it right in the first try is ideally, even if you're a little bit slower, but, just very accurate binary search is, something that I consider is at the very least important. So definitely consider that. But today though, we'll go a little bit lazy. So let's see. First position is just a bisect left, right? So then now here is the first, as you go to this, right? That's actually technically first index. And if nums of first index is equal to target, because if it doesn't match, because bisect left actually gives you the smallest number that is target or bigger. So you have to check that it is within. If it's not, or I guess I can just do the reverse, then we turn -1, -1. And then we don't have to check for the other side because if it doesn't exist, then it doesn't exist. If it exists, then basically we want to do bisect right, which will give you the number or the index of the. There are two ways to do it, to say it. One is the index of the number that is strictly greater than target, or another way to say it is the index to the index to insert after the last element, right? That is the last element of target. So that's basically the idea. And of course, so then it should be this -1, right? We know that this can be found, or we know that this has a thing, because if it doesn't, then this would have already returned. So I think we can just return first index, last index without any further ado. Hopefully I didn't make silly mistakes. Oh, yeah, that's right. I meant to do that, but I forgot. But yeah, of course, we also have to make sure that first index is within length of nums, because that means that I don't think it could be more than 0. But if if this is the first place insert, and if it doesn't exist, then yeah, it will be not Gucci. What am I doing wrong here? 0. Oh, this is I did the minus total wrong. So if this is not true, or the other thing, then yeah. Wait, wow, man. Today I'm just kind of, I don't know. Right after I bragged about, humble bragged, I think. Maybe not. About, how did I even get it wrong? I guess, I don't know. In the past. But yeah, after I humble bragged, of course I have to kind of, eat some humble pie for a little bit. But that's okay. But yeah, I mean, we don't have to go over the complexity. These are library functions. But definitely, if you don't know the library functions in your language, I'm using Python, but there's similar things in at least C++ and Java. There might, other language may or may not. I just don't know that as well. Definitely familiar with it. If you are familiar with it, write out the binary search or implement these two functions and kind of try to get it right in the first try. And that's good practice, especially if you need it. I don't know. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. Hope y'all have a great rest of the week, beginning of the week, all these things. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.